Good morning. Myself, Mr. Arvind Kumar Rai, welcomes you to my mathematics class for class 10 ICSE examination. Today's topic is shares and dividend. We all know that to start a big business or an industry, a huge amount is actually required. And generally it is found that it is not possible for an individual to invest such a huge amount to start their business or to start their company. So for that, some of the people, they associate together to frame a company, to establish a company, and then with the help of the experts, they make a plan, rules and regulations for the proper functioning of their organization or their company. And after that, to meet the huge amount to start that company, they invite the public to invest their money. And the public, they invest their money in the company. So the total amount which is actually required to start the company is called as the capital stock. And this capital stock is actually again divided into small parts, and each part is actually called as a share. This is what the share is. Now let me give you an example. Suppose a company requires 10 lakh rupees, and this 10 lakh rupees is actually collected from the public, and in return the company gives them a certificate which is known as the share certificate, and this share certificate has got a fixed value, and this value of the share certificate is printed on the certificate, and it is given to the persons, those who have invested their money. This is fixed. This value is not going to change. This certificate which is being given to the persons, those who have purchased, are called as the shareholders or the stockholders. And the value which is fixed on the share, as I have told you, is called as the nominal value. As I told you, it is not going to change. It is the price of the share which is fixed by the company, and so it is called as nominal value or face value. Now, the second important term is market value. The price at which the share is bought or sold in the market is called the market value. And the market value of the share keeps on changing from time to time. As you know, the customers or the persons or the investors, they can also purchase the share from the market, and when they go in the market to purchase the shares, there the price of the share may not be same as what the company has fixed. So the market value of the share always keeps on changing. It sometimes becomes more than the nominal value, sometimes it becomes less than the nominal value, and sometimes it remains same as that of the nominal value. So this market value actually depends on the performance of the company or the profit made by the company. Now, if market value of share is equal to nominal value of share, then share is said to be at par. And if market value of the share is more or greater than the nominal value of a share, then share is said to be above par or at premium. Thirdly, if suppose market value of share is less than nominal value of the share, it is said to be below par or at discount. So now just keep it in mind that if you find the word at par in the question, then it means that the nominal value is same as that of the market value. And if you find the word above par or at premium, then there you can conclude that the market value is more than the nominal value of a share. And if you find the word below par or at discount, then you can conclude that market value is less than the nominal value. So these 3 points we'll discuss in details when we will work out some questions. When we will come across these words, there I will explain you so that will make you understand in a better way. So what is this dividend? This dividend is nothing but that is the profit gained by the company that is distributed among the shareholders is actually called as dividend. And it is always calculated on the nominal value of the share. It is not calculated on the market value. Remember, it is always calculated on the nominal value of the share. And this dividend can be also considered as the annual income of the person who has invested his money for a particular company. We will discuss some important formula to solve the problems based on shares and dividend. Suppose if the share is purchased directly from the company, then investment is always equal to number of shares into nominal value of one share. And if you want to find out the number of shares, that is always equal to the total investment by nominal value of one share. The amount which the investor has invested, and if he knows the nominal value of the one share, then he can divide the total investment amount by the value of nominal value of one share, and he will come to know the number of shares purchased directly from the company. The second one is that suppose the person purchases the share from the market. Then in that situation, the investment made by the investor will be equal to number of shares which he is going to purchase into market value of one share. If you multiply these two things, you will come to know the total amount invested by the investor in a particular company. And then again, if you want to find out the number of shares, and here if the person has invested his money in the market, then the total number of shares bought by the person will be equal to total investment by market value of one share. The third important formula is dividend. As we have discussed earlier, that dividend is nothing but that is the profit made by the company which is distributed at the end of the year among the shareholders. So this dividend is actually declared by the company at a certain rate %. That depends upon the profit made by the company. And that will be called as the annual income of the person. So dividend or the annual income is always equal to dividend rate into nominal value of one share into number of shares whole by 100. Remember, I have told you earlier also that dividend is always calculated on the nominal value. Dividend is not calculated on the market value. Keep this in the mind that it is always calculated on the nominal value. So we will put the nominal value of the share and we will come to know the income of the person. And then the fourth formula is your percentage return or the rate of return on investment. If the person has invested some money, so what actually annually he is getting the return on the investment. So that can be calculated by a very simple formula that is equal to income by total investment into 100. So these are 4 simple formulas which you have to keep it in mind, and then you can easily work out the question based on shares and dividend.